Sarap. Check properly. Ay!
That's so funny. Madison, eat properly.
Madison, stop it. Eat.
Madison, you already what? How many months, Madison?
6.
6 months. Remember I made Daniel and Abby part 1 and I showed you Madison sleeping and then Madison was about to wake up.
Mm.
Bye, people.